In episode 11, we dive deep into stress. Have you ever wondered why we get stressed? For a long time, people thought our stress response was just an old leftover from our ancestors that doesn't help us anymore. But let's explore why this idea is actually wrong and how stress plays a crucial role in our survival even today. Two scientists are partly responsible for giving stress a bad name. First, there was Walter Cannon, who worked at Harvard Medical School in 1915. He did experiments with cats and dogs, in ways we wouldn't approve of today, to see what happened when they were scared or angry. He would do things like cover cats' mouths to make them afraid, or put cats and dogs together to make them fight. What did Cannon find? When animals feel threatened, their bodies release a hormone called adrenaline. Their hearts beat faster, they breathe quicker, and their muscles get tight, like they're getting ready for action. At the same time, things like digestion slow down because they're not important in an emergency. This is what we call the fight or flight response. Why people thought this was a problem? Scientists noticed that this response shows up in all animals with a heartbeat, including humans. It has saved many lives throughout history. That's why nature has kept it around. It's actually in our DNA. But here's where people started seeing a problem. Most of our daily stresses aren't about fighting or running away. Think about it. Can you fight your way out of being stuck in traffic? Will running away help when you're worried about paying bills? Can you punch your way through relationship problems? Does a racing heart help you deal with work deadlines? Many people started thinking our stress response was outdated. Good for our ancestors who faced physical dangers, but bad for us modern humans dealing with different kinds of problems. Here's where scientists made a mistake. They thought we only had one kind of stress response, the fight or flight one. As scientist Robert Sapolsky put it, they thought our body reacted the same way whether we were being attacked by a lion or just thinking about taxes. But guess what? That's not true at all. Our body's stress response is actually much smarter and more helpful than we thought. Just like humans have evolved, our stress response has evolved too. Instead of just having one way to react to stress, fight or run, our bodies have developed many different ways to handle different types of challenges. Here's what our modern stress response can do. 1. Help us face challenges head-on. 2. Make us want to connect with other people for support. 3. Help us learn from tough experiences. 4. Give us energy to solve problems. 5. Make us more alert and focused when we need to be. 6. Prepare our immune system to protect us. 7. Help us think more clearly in important situations. Think of your stress response like a Swiss Army knife. It has many different tools for different situations, not just one. Why this matters for you. Understanding this changes everything about how we think about stress. Instead of seeing your racing heart or sweaty palms as bad things, you can understand them as signs that your body is getting ready to help you. When your heart beats faster, it's sending more oxygen to your brain to help you think better. When you feel alert and jittery, it's your body helping you stay focused. When you feel the urge to talk to someone, it's your stress response encouraging you to get support. So, is it wrong to have a stress response? No. Having a stress response isn't wrong at all. It's actually incredibly helpful. It's not some outdated system that only helps in emergencies. It's a sophisticated set of responses that has evolved to help us handle all kinds of modern challenges. Instead of trying to get rid of our stress response or thinking it's bad for us, we should appreciate it for what it is, a valuable tool that helps us deal with deadlines at work, handle relationship challenges, solve complex problems, give important presentations, learn new skills, connect with others when times are tough. Rise to life's various challenges. Rather than seeing stress as your enemy, think of it as your body's way of giving you extra resources to handle life's challenges. It's not just about survival anymore. It's about helping you perform better, think clearer, and connect with others when you need to. Your stress response isn't wrong or broken. It's actually a sophisticated system that has kept up with the times, evolving to help you face not just physical dangers, but all of life's modern challenges. The key isn't to try to get rid of stress. It's to understand it and work with it, knowing that your body is trying to help you succeed. Remember, you're not broken when you feel stressed. Your body is actually doing exactly what it should do, giving you the energy and resources you need to handle whatever challenge you're facing. That's not a problem to fix. It's a power to appreciate.